This is the final outcome of a project. So lunar crater detection using deep learning CNN. So here what we did means, so we directly using rule based algorithm which is like nothing but a, so it's going to apply directly on a images, the algorithm what we are taking here, and giving us a accurate predictions. Okay, the key features are here we are using deep CNN architecture, okay, convolutional neural network with multiple layers and lunar surface analysis, and as well as if we got crater, so it's going to give us what is the explanation of the particular crater. Okay, so here we have a user registration and login. First we are going to user registration part. So I'm going to create user registration, and password should be minimum 6 characters or else 6 length it should be. Either you can take character, you can take integers, anything is fine for that. And now I'm going to give username and password. So this is the user dashboard. So in this, what the predictions they did, each and everything they can see here, and they can upload images for prediction. And click on this, and these are the images I downloaded from a Google. Okay, so this is the image what we have downloaded, and we are going to upload in a our website. So it's going to show us with a confidence score and non-crater. Okay, if it is crater means we will get explanation. If it is non-crater means we won't get any kind of explanation. Okay, so I'm going to make analyze another image. Oh, and now we'll check with this one and analyze image. So here crater detected. So how the crater is created? So this is the reason for that the crater created, how it's created and all. And you can see the history, what is the user did. And now we'll download one more image from Google, Lunar Crater images. Okay, so now we'll download this image. Download it. Now again we'll go to upload image portion, and we will upload one more image. So this is the new one what we have downloaded from Google, and click on analyze. Okay, see here, so the prediction is correct. And we will see with one more which is non-crater image we will download. I go to images. So non-crater image is nothing but a plain image. Okay, and these are all crater images. Okay, so I'm going to download this. We will check whether it is crater or not. I also don't know. So just you are going to upload a image, because in Google Images also it's not defined correctly which one is crater and which one is not crater. Okay, we'll check with this, because by seeing this I didn't get see here the craters are there. Okay, so I'm going to check with normal moon image. I will go with. Okay, so we'll check with one more image. Okay, so now we will make a logo, and we will go to admin and we can check. So based on the prediction we are going to get sign in. Okay, 2 users are registered. In total 10 predictions they did. 2 new users and 5 recent predictions they did. So here we can see the user profiles. and what are the predictions they did by the user. Okay, and after that performance we can check overall accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So this is based on the prediction we got the chart. Okay, so this is the final outcome of a project. For this we use the Python Flask framework to get a better user interface, all these things, and HTML CSS for the front end.